Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GEICO mobile app, secure fix step by step clearly. Open your GEICO mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the login button on the main screen. Tap on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username. Carefully type in your username using the on-screen keyboard. After entering your username, look for the password field. Tap on the password field to enter your password. Type in your password, ensuring that you enter it correctly. If you want to view your password, you can tap the eye icon next to the password field. Once both your username and password are entered, locate the login button again. Tap the login button to submit your credentials. Wait a moment for the app to process your information. If your login is successful, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of an incorrect username or password, an error message will appear. If you forget your login credentials, you can tap the Forgot Username or Password link. Follow the instructions provided to reset your username or password. Once you have access, you will be able to manage your account seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.